Renegades, I am back with another behind the scenes. This one is not so much something that I want to show you, but something I want to share that I'm super excited about, and I'll need you guys' feedback on it. I thought I would share with you guys because if you're a member, then you're more, committed to the channel and how we grow and what we're doing. So at the beginning of this year, I got an iPad, and because I wanted to get really organized, I wanted to put a journal and everything like that, like a planner, and do it like that on my tablet. So I purchased a planner and it was great. But I was thinking, like, what if there were a planner for planning upcycle projects? So I started last night putting it together. I am so excited to share it with you guys. Okay, so that's the cover so far. It says My Upcycle Journal. And it's a special message from me, encouraging message to anybody who buys it to stay on course and be uniquely you. And then it has the whole year in advance, so you can write down goals that you have for the year as far as your upcycling is concerned. And then each month will have its own calendar as well as a list of things I want to upcycle. So planning like your start date and your goal end date, because you guys know that about me, that we have goals. Life happens. Sometimes we make it, sometimes we don't, but it's good to have goals regardless. And then this one I love, love, love. So for each month you can add a sheet that says upcycle number, and you add the number, and then it says what you want to upcycle, inspiration, ideas. It has a list for things I need to complete this project, as well as steps I want to remember. Like, say for instance, you're following somebody's tutorial, and there might be key steps that you want to make sure that you remember from that tutorial. You can write that in your journal or in your planner. And then it says it's something you can add a message for yourself right there. And it says, read this if the project goes awry. So like you can write a plan, like if this project goes awry, take a 5-minute break, or an encouraging message like don't give up or something like that. So I like that. And then at the bottom, it says, how this project made me feel. And you could circle any number of those. So like at the beginning of the project, I was happy. And by the end, I was meh, anything like that. And then there'll be pages, sketch pages, as well as stickers that you can add, like body form illustration stickers that you can add. And then last up, excuse the lady down there because that's irrelevant. I got tired last night. But then where you can add pictures of your final look, final project to your planner. And it says, do things at your own pace. Life's not a race. So I love that. And then you can have the date of when you finish. And I didn't mention that on here, if it's a virtual planner, you can sketch in these boxes, or you can add photos. Say for instance, you have a before picture, you can add it right there. And then you have Pinterest inspiration, you can add those pictures there, or you can add a link. So you can add a sketch, you can add pictures, you can add a link to those boxes, anything you want. So I am super excited about this. And I am looking at the option of not only selling it virtually, but also selling it print on demand, so that for those who do not want anything to have to do with virtual planners, they can have a planner, an upcycle journal or upcycle planner. Should I call it a journal or a planner? That's number one. Give me any other feedback that you think of. You guys are so good about that, and I'm so grateful for you. So anything that you would want in a journal or a planner for your upcycle projects, let me know. So yeah, let me know what you think. I just thought I would share that. I look forward to reading you guys' comments, and I will see you next time. Bye.